Hello, in this June, we have an amazing offers for you guys for new local businesses. Like you will get GoHighLevel 50% off for all packages. And also the most important thing is that you will get all AI tools free of cost for next 3 months. Like you can automatically reply to your customer, you can automatically follow ups, you will automatically book appointments. And also the main thing is that you will do AI callings free of cost as well. And someone do a call on your numbers, you don't need to pay anything. Right now this is a summer offer of GoHighLevels. You will get this offer with my description box link below, and I will show you step by step what you will get in this 50% off offers and how you can get this. And I will post this link in description box below, in which you will get all those things in GoHighLevel free for next 3 months. You will get 50% off, but all AI features you will get free. Okay, and you see there is no need to pay 97s, and even no need to pay 297 or 497. You will get for next 3 months all this off 50%, and you will get 3 accounts, and you will use all AI features free of cost. And I will add these links and in description box below. You will get this free of cost for all those things. And by the way, if you can go and sign up with my links, you will also get all these snapshot free of cost that's listed on leadsflex.com, and that's my agency. You can see these all snapshot and your complete SaaS configurations. And the main thing is that you can just book appointment with me and book free consultation with me, and I will jump with you on a call. I will configure your complete GoHighLevels for you for your local business, and you will get all those things free as well. So both link in description box below. Let's jump and avail this offer. And thank you so much for watching this video.